everyone, and welcome back for another video. So today I'm excited because I went this morning to Ultra and I got me this new eyeshadow palette, and this is from the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill, and this is in the Bling Boss. So I've been wanting to get her eyeshadow for a really long time ago, and I only got one. So there's other 3 more that you can also purchase as well. And this was only retail for $15, so I can't wait to share with you guys a holiday look using her eyeshadow palette. And if you guys already have this palette, comment down below. Let me know how well it went to you or for you. I don't even know what I'm saying. So if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as soon as we're done. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. Alright, you guys, so I haven't opened this box, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. And this is how it looks from the back before I start doing anything else. So here it is. And it does come with this little plastic thing in bubbles. And this is the palette. It's really nice and light. It's not that heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is what the eyeshadows look. So it's 10 eyeshadows in this palette. Alright, you guys, so I won't be doing any color swatches of this palette, but I will leave Jaclyn Hill's link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out, because I just want to go straight into the eyeshadow tutorials just to share with you guys this look, because I can't wait to create this look like I said. So if you guys have these eyeshadow palette, you can just go ahead and grab it so that way you can follow along with me. So I have already set up my foundation and my eyeshadow primer. So the first thing that I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow tutorial is going to be this Hush Hush color right here. And I'm going to be using that as my transition. And here I have this blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and buff this out and blend it really well. So I grabbed one coat of these, and it's already pigmented, and I love how it's looking out so well. Just make sure that you guys blend well while applying these, and it doesn't have a lot of fallout, so which is good. So this is just blending all over the eye. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab the gem color, which is this right here. I'm going to grab this gem color, and I'm going to grab the same brush that I was using, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in the outer V. Now moving to the second eye, just make sure that you guys be patient while blending this together. As you guys can see, I'm here taking my time. I got all this tape coming off. So what I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna try to cut the crease. I'm not a pro on this, so I'm still learning. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of these Maybelline concealer. And for some reason, I can never get both eyes the same. They're so different because, like I said, I'm still learning. A lot of you guys have the skills, and I love that. So now that I have cut the crease, supposedly, I'm going to go back with the same purple eyeshadow in the name of Gem. And I'm going to go ahead and add some purple underneath. Okay, so here I have a white liquid eyeliner, and this is from NYX. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. I don't know why I'm shaking. Maybe because it's my first time. I don't even know if that's even. Does it look right? So I am going to try to create a snowflake, like right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the other side and see if it turns well. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh, it's messed up right there. Oh my gosh, this is not easy. And my snowflakes for sure, they ain't straight. Hell, I know it's not straight. What the heck? Well, they say snow don't come evenly, so don't matter. But I try to do something nicely for you ladies. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise, and I am going to do my black line. Cause girl, I always go extra on these makeup looks. I still can't not see myself not wearing my black liner and wearing this makeup look. And you guys can skip this if you want, but I need to have it. Alright ladies, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and my false eyelashes, and I will see you guys in just a second. Alright you guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial that I did for you guys. Although I was struggling while I was applying my white eyeliner into the eyes. I was really anxious and nervous, but it came out really well. I really liked how the colors blend, and I don't know, this is just something that I do highly recommend for you guys to buy it if you guys like this type of eyeshadow looks, because I like my makeup to be a little bit dramatic. You guys know how I am, but this was something I was looking forward, and I'm really excited that I have it and that I get to play with this. And also, if you guys are interested for me to do more eyeshadow looks like this for the holiday, please comment down below and let me know, so that way you guys can help me out, so that way I know what you guys want to see from me. So once again, you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.